Hello investors, still at Treasure Hilltop Estate, Alagbado Command, and today we bring to you live updates on development in the estate. You can see the estate is taking shape gradually. Drainage construction is ongoing to make the place habitable for people and residents, and you can see work is going on massively in the estate. 3-bedroom bungalow still goes for 15 million naira with a year payment plan, and the duplex for 30 million naira also with a year payment plan. And a plot of land in this estate goes for 7.5 million naira. Yes, a plot for 4 million naira. What are you waiting for? Don't wait to buy now, and with Treasure Hilltop Estate, Alagbado Command.